let me introduce you to the Tuna Pocket. Talk about an alpha snack on steroids. Lads, this yolk is 620 calories, so don't be fooled. This is a feed and a half that'll quench any hunger in any hound. Right, tip for this as well, I like to do it in the George Foreman to toast it. It doesn't need to be, but if you want to make it super convenient to bring with you, the George Foreman is the way forward. This is what you're going to need for it. You're going to put it into a wrap. I like to use the old cucumber and grated carrot. Lads, grated carrot is the absolute tits. But remember, the high calorie stuff here is the tuna in the oil, the cheese and the mayonnaise. So the more of this shit you use, the higher the calories are going to go. So let's drain out some of that oil first, get rid of some of those excess calories that are unnecessary, because we don't want it super damp. Now you'll notice I'm weighing out everything. It doesn't matter what recipe or meal plan you're following, weigh shit out, so when you're tracking it in MyFitnessPal later on, you're going to be able to keep account of it. Because that can of tuna is about 160 grams. Now I'm making 2 wraps here. No way I'm putting the whole can into one wrap. It's just not necessary. So lads, salt and pepper and a small bit of chili. The chili isn't necessary, but if you like a bit of spice like I do, I'm putting it in. Now we're going to grate the carrot. Please, please, please watch your fucking fingers, or there'll be meat in this before you even wanted meat in it. Grated carrot is so tasty, lads. It's one of my new favourites in a salad, more so than even the spinach. But the spinach is still important. So listen, cucumber, slice it up. Cheese, slice that up. Remember, the more cheese you're going to use, the more calories this recipe is going to be. And again, I'm fucking weighing everything, just so I know when I'm logging into MyFitnessPal, it's going to read correctly. Even though when I scan the barcode, it's going to come up as one wrap, but I'm just going to make sure. Now, preparation is key here. The bottom layer is going to be the tuna in a square shape. Next layer is going to be the carrot, and again, nice square shape. Plan out the layer of cucumbers, then the cheese on top. Because the cheese goes on top, it's going to melt down through it and solidify it all together. Now, the crack, the rolling part. Because this is going to be kind of a square pocket, we're kind of turning it into an envelope. So we don't have to roll it, we kind of fold it. Tuck in the edges and then flip it over. Don't worry, you're going to get another opportunity to see this when I make the second one. And then be nice and careful, pop it over. The thing that fucks up on these wraps and these pockets is if you're putting in too much ingredient. So here we go again, layering it in the exact same way. Now watch as I fold it. Sides first, roll it from the back, tuck in the little flappy bits, and then flip. And because it's not packed with ingredients, it's good to go. Leave it in here now, probably 5 minutes. It's worth checking every so often, but this is what you're looking for. A nice little golden brown kind of toasted layer. Then all you have to do is take it out and demolish it. Now, I've let these cool down before and just wrapped it up in tin foil and then heated it the next day in the microwave or thrown it back into the George Foreman to heat it back up the next day, and it's been fine. So lads, 620 calories and 31 grams of protein. They're high in calories, but tasty as fuck. So this is not just a simple snack. This is a full-on fucking meal. Give it a try. You won't regret it. Giddy up.